So what do you do when you got a big paint job and you only got two little bitty sawhorses? You give them wings. And that's what I did. This is real common. I just used one clamp. I recommend two. But this allows you to make a sawhorse that's functionally longer than the vertical upright, and that allows you to load a lot more wood and get her painted, get her done. The big trick is load from the center. You put that board in, that board in, that board in, that board in, that board in. You keep going till you reach the ends. If you go load it from one end over, but when you get about that far, the whole thing will bloop, and everything, all your work will be on the ground. But this is a sawhorse extender, very common in contracting. Just put a piece of 2x4 like that. If you need more strength, you orientate the 2x4 like this with the 4 going up, and that'll give you more strength, and you can use longer pieces. However, you do have to watch the load limit on your sawhorse. And remember, the longer the more the wings, the more tippy she'll get. So I'm using 8 foot, and 8 foot seems a good number. She ain't tippy, how to paint pretty easy.